This is lesson 98 from Math 8-7, scale factor, example 5 only. So when they have these two different shapes, there's a scale factor going from the smaller rectangular prism on my left to the larger rectangular prism on my right. And they're trying to figure out what is the scale factor. What do we multiply by to get from this length to this length? And it's a fairly easy example. We can see that for the height right here, 2 centimeters to 6 centimeters, we multiply times 3. For the length, 3 times 3 is 9, and I guess this is probably the height. This is 4 centimeters and this is 12, so we're multiplying times 3. So for A, the scale factor is 3. Then they're going to ask you some questions about area and volume, and it behaves in a very predictable way, how the area will scale up and how the volume will scale up. If you figure out the area of face A here, just for an example, so 2 by 3 centimeters is 6 centimeters squared. And this corresponding face on this rectangular prism is 6 times 9, which is 54 centimeters squared. We can see that the factor that you would multiply by here is 9. So the area is 9, which is 3 squared. So if the scale factor is 3, the number you multiply by for area is 3 squared, or 9. Similarly, when you do volume, which is length times width times height, that would be 2 centimeters times 3 centimeters times 4 centimeters, which is 24 centimeters cubed. And in the larger shape, the volume will be 6 centimeters times 9 centimeters times 12 centimeters. If we multiplied all those numbers out, we would come up with 648 centimeters cubed. If you divide 648 by 24, you will get the number 27. So the volume is multiplied by 27, which is actually 3 cubed. So we know that the scale factor, so just the length, is the scale factor. The area scale factor is 3 squared, or 9. And then the volume scale factor is 3 cubed, or 27. And that will always be the case. If you know the scale factor from one shape to the other, if you square it, you will get the area scale factor, and if you cube it, you will get the volume scale factor.